Chris Mutsvangwa has crossed the red line after attacking the retired generals and directly ridiculing the recent demotions of ZNA Zimbabwe National Army Commander General Anselm Sanyatwe, suggesting he was removed for aligning with the war veterans led by Blessed Bombshell Geza, who he has been pushing for President Emerson Mnangagwa's ouster. Sanapenda mashoko onkonza aiwa Mutsvangwa panapa aiwa ozvisikira moto muziso pamusoro pekuataka aiwa General Anselm Sanyatwe. Unobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina Zimbabwe danyora chiti Mnangagwa's abrupt shake-up of Zimbabwe security leadership, including Sanyatwe's removal, comes amid escalating tensions within ZANU-PF and fears of internal dissent ahead of the March 31 protests organized by disgruntled war veterans. While Mutsvangwa did not mention Sanyatwe by name, he made veiled references to individuals who allegedly sought to use the army for political ambitions. Speaking at a press conference in Harare, Mutsvangwa lauded Mnangagwa's move, stating that it was a masterstroke that thwarted those who believed they were anointed to lead and own the Zimbabwe National Army. The veterans had called for mass protests on March 31, citing government mismanagement. Mutsvangwa, himself a war veteran, dismissed the dissenters as power-hungry opportunists and insisted that the new security leadership has proven its loyalty to the president and the constitution. However, analysts believe that Sanyatwe's removal is a direct blow to Chiwenga, further weakening his prospects of succeeding Mnangagwa. The two leaders have long been locked in a cold war over the 2028 succession. The Chiwenga's faction seeing Mnangagwa's security reforms as a deliberate marginalization of military power in favor of civilian control. As Mnangagwa tightens his hold on Zimbabwe security forces, the battle lines between him and Chiwenga continue to deepen, raising speculation about how long this fragile power balance will last. Tomashkomdato kapana pamsoro aiwa mashoko anotakwa na Christopher Mutsvangwa achiataka General Anselm Sanyatwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamsoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chitwa the bell icon.